This is the demo of the hissing sound that comes out of HP Spectre x360 whenever the movies or any videos play, such as YouTube. So I just play the video, and as I play the video, the hissing sound will start coming from the speakers. And when you're in a quiet room, it's really audible. You can't miss it. There you go. I'll try my best, although the sound of the video, I'll try to mute it, but if I mute it, the hissing sound goes away. So, well, I do this, and then let's see. I pause the video, and the hissing sound, goes quiet. I play the video, and the hissing sound is there. Yeah, you can also hear the popping sound coming out of speakers as well. I'm trying to keep the phone as close to the speakers so you can hear the popping and hissing sound. There you go, it popped just a second ago. And again.